My dear students, last day we have done the distance formula, equidistance point, and also we discussed about the section formula. Now today we have to see the application of section formula. So before I start the application, let us see once again what was the section formula. Now section formula, we got two things. One is midpoint, and there is if it is given instead of 1:1 ratio, if it is in different ratio other than 1:1 ratio. Then what was that? First one you got that suppose your point is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then midpoint equal to what we got? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. And then next what we got? Next we got this is Riemann 1, then Riemann 2. Riemann 2 what we got? If line divided in the ratio m is to n, then what is the coordinate of that point? Suppose if I draw the line, suppose this is the line, this is A, this is B, and this is suppose C, divided in the ratio m is to n. Then here x1 comma y1, here x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2. Then what will get? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Then my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So these are the things we got yesterday. Now today we have to see the application of this. Okay, so midpoint, and then if it is divided in the ratio m is to n. So let's see first in your exercise 7.2, exercise 7.2, let's see. Question number 1. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the joining of -1,7 and 4,-3 in the ratio 2:3. So first of all, we draw the line. This is A, this is B, suppose this is C, 2:3. Now what is the coordinate? Coordinate is minus 1 comma 7, minus 1 comma 7, and what is the other coordinate? Other coordinate is 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma minus 3. Then the coordinate of C equal to, so which formula will you use? We'll use this formula. So what is that? mx2. So here m means 3. This is m means 2, m is 2, and this is n. So then mx2, so 2 into 4, plus nx1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, m plus n. The next one is what? Is 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7. Then what? 2 plus 3. Then if you calculate, what will you get? You will get 8 minus 3 divided by 5, comma, minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. So ultimately 5 by 5, comma, 15 by 5. So ultimately what is that? 1 comma 3. So this is the coordinate of a point which divides the given line in the ratio 2:3. Clear? So now so we have seen how to utilize the application of these, that if the line is divided in the ratio m:n, and this is the application you got. Okay, so now let me see about the question number 2, the coordinate trisect. Tri means 3 equal part. Trisection, midpoint you got 2 equal part, and here it is a trisection. Tri means 3 equal parts. So that's it. So trisection. Question number 2. So let's see, draw the line. If we draw the line, suppose this is A, this is B, suppose this is C, and this is D. Okay, so 1 is to 1 is to 1. And what is the coordinate? Coordinate is 4 comma minus 1. And what is the other coordinate? Minus 2 comma minus 3. Now one thing you see, my dear students, that you cannot take out both the point at a time. You have to take one by one. You have to take out, you have seen formula also, that one at a time, not two or three, one at a time. So if one at a time, then we have to see A to C and then C to B. If we take A to C, that means 1. That means 1. And what is C to D? 1 plus 1, 2. So now you take out the coordinate of C. What is that? See, 1 is to 2. So that means 1 into bracket minus 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. M plus n, so here 1 plus 2. Next, you see 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Then what is that? Then you see minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Then what is that? You see 6 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3 equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So this is the this one we got the coordinate of C. Now you have to find out the coordinate of D. Now how to take out coordinate of D? First of all you see from where to where. So from this to this. That means this is 2 and this is 1. So then you have to find out the coordinate of D. So coordinate of D, coordinate of D equal to, see what will change? Only 1, so it will be 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Now last it was 1 plus 2, now 2 plus 1. So this is the change. And then what is the other one? 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Then what? Then you see minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So ultimately what is the coordinate? Coordinate is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So this is the way how to find out the coordinate of a point if it is trisect. If the line is trisected, okay? If the line is trisected. So this is the one. The next, let's see. Question number 3. You try to do by yourself. Find out the coordinate and then you read the question and try to do. Otherwise, in my next class, I will give you. Now, next one is that you see find the ratio. Now, here you see one thing. Ratio was there, coordinate is missing. Now, in the next question, that is question number 4, it is given ratio not there, coordinate is there. Ratio you have to take out. Okay? So, let's see question number 4 now. So what is that? Line segment. So suppose this is A, this is B. Coordinate of A minus 3 comma 10. Coordinate of this one 6 comma minus 8. And suppose this is C. C coordinate is minus 1 comma 6. And you have to find out what ratio it divides. What ratio is divide. Okay? So, last time what you have written? Coordinate of C. So now coordinate of C is there. Now there you see ratio was there, ratio was not missing, but here ratio is missing. So what will you write? See, same procedure remains same, there will be no change. So C you write minus 1 comma 6. Then you see what is that? 6m minus thrice m divided by m plus n. And then another one, what is that? Minus 8m plus 10m divided by m plus n. Now we got the coordinate of C. Now what you have to do? You equalize, compare either x, either you compare the value of x or you compare the value of y. If we will compare the value of x, then what is that? 6m minus thrice m divided by m plus n equal to minus 1. Then you see 6m minus thrice m equal to minus m minus m. So 6m plus m thrice n minus m. Then finally what? 7m equal to twice n. So ultimately m by n equal to 2 by 7. So in what ratio the line is divided? C divides the line AB into ratio 2:7. So 2:7 line is divided. Please write down 2:7 line is divided. Okay, in the ratio. Now if you, there is no hard and fast rule whether you have to take only value of x compare the value of x or you have to compare the value of y. I have compared with the value of x. You compare the value of y, then also same answer you get. Okay, so you please check by yourself next part. Okay, now let's see. Then question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Now question number 5, what is that? Here also find the ratio divided by x-axis. Now here little bit different. X-axis. X-axis means that means on x-axis, in the very beginning I told on the x-axis value of x will be there and value of y will be 0. So let's see that question number 5. This is the line divided by this. So coordinate is x, comma 0. Question number 5. Then what is the coordinate given? A 1 comma minus 5. Actually remember, you don't understand that it is the first quadrant. Actually just for conception I have drawn. Okay, just for the conception, nothing else. Okay, so another one is b minus 4 comma 5. Otherwise you can draw. So if you want to draw, you can draw also. Suppose this is your x comma 0. This is your a. This is your b. Okay. Now what is a? A is 1 comma minus 5. 1 comma minus 5. What is b? B is minus 4 comma 5. Okay. So then you have to find out in what ratio. Ratio is missing. M is to n. Okay, M is to n ratio. So First of all, same as previous one. See x comma 0, you write. Coordinate is already given. Equal to, suppose this is divided in the ratio m is to n, then what will you do? M into 1 plus n bracket minus 4 divided by m plus n. Another one is what? Minus 5n plus 5n divided by m plus n. Now here, last question I told, there is no hard and fast rule which one to compare. You can compare x, you can compare y, but here it must be compared with y-axis, because whichever is missing, that one. Suppose if I ask you that y coordinate or by y-axis, then it's supposed to be compared with the value of x, because that time value of x will be 0. But here value of y is 0. So let's see. Minus 5m plus 5n divided by m plus n equal to 0. Okay, so what is that? Minus 5m plus 5n equal to 0 into m plus n. Then you see minus 5m equal to minus 5n implies m by n equal to minus 5 by minus 5. Ultimately, what is that? M is to n equal to 1 is to 1. So x-axis divides a line in the ratio 1 is to 1. X-axis divides a line in the ratio 1 is to 1. Okay? So with that, I will wind up. Before I wind up, just as we collect once again that what we have studied here. Today we have seen the application of section formula. By using the section formula, how to find out the coordinate, or how to find out if coordinate is there, how to find out the ratios. Okay, so still that time, bye bye, and one homework before I go I'll give, that is question number 6. Thank you, bye bye.